First, I'll build a line chart using historical revenue data. I will highlight the data from A21 through C31, including the column headers. And then I will go to Insert tab, select Line Chart, and select 2D Line Chart. This chart now displays yearly revenue for both Amazon and Walmart. And here I'm renaming the chart to say Amazon and Walmart revenue. Next, I'll use the forecast.linear function to predict revenue for the year 2045. In cell B33, I will forecast Amazon's revenue using the formula forecast linear. Open parentheses A33, comma B3 through B31, comma A3 through A31, close parentheses. Let it catch up here. This tells Excel to forecast Amazon's revenue for the year in A33 using historical Amazon revenue values and the corresponding years. Now I'll create the same type of forecast for Walmart in cell 33. The formula is, we go to forecast linear, then I'll do A33, comma C3 through C31. Then we have A3 through A31. This uses Walmart's historical revenue values to estimate the revenue for 2045. Next, I'll update the chart by adding linear forecast trend lines. First, I select the Amazon line chart and choose Add Trend Line. I set the trend line type to linear forecast for 20 periods and check the option to display the R-squared value on the chart. I repeat the same process for Walmart by adding a linear trend line, forecasting for 20 periods and displaying the R-squared value. And then I rename the chart to Linear Trends. For part D, I duplicated this chart by copy and pasting it so that both charts are visible on the screen. On the second chart, I select the Amazon trend line to select the type to polynomial and then set the order to 2. Checking everything to make sure it's right. Then I repeat the same process for Walmart by changing its trend line to polynomial order 2. Finally, I'll compare the R-squared values shown on the charts. R-squared measures how well the trend line fits the historical data. Values closer to 1 indicate a stronger fit. By comparing the values for the linear and polynomial trend lines, the trend line with the higher R-squared value provides the better forecast for the data. This completes my Excel forecasting demonstration. In this video, I created a line chart, used the forecast linear function, added linear and polynomial trend lines, and evaluated which forecast method best fits the data using R-squared values.